What is up and welcome back to Voodoo. We're here at Cars and Copters, that's in Orange County, and this is arguably one of the best supercar slash hypercar shows you can get. What the duck? Kalen brought his pets. Hi. Hey, what's a duck's favorite drug? Quack. Anyway, Cars and Copters, as the name promises, we got helicopters parked next to supercars. There's a bunch of hypercars over there. Anybody shows up to this event. I'm gonna take you guys for a tour so we can find the best cars here. Hello, sir. Like and subscribe. Oh, hello, others, sir. You gotta watch your head here, man. You're gonna run into some stuff. All right, hypercars, here we go. Apparently, Batman pulled up this event. We have one of the craziest hypercars here. I can never remember the name of it. We got the Pagani here. Art, literal art. I'm handing the vlog off. This guy here. Follow him if you haven't already.
So here's something you don't see at Voodoo very often. R8 Spider. But I think it looks nice.
It's missing the center exit.
Yeah, that's true. Where's the center exit at?
Is V-Login?
Yeah. So if you don't know much about Matt loves older, weird cars. Cars like this. Just tickles his fancy. So a little backstory. My sister actually sent me a picture of one of these things. And I had no idea what it was, but now we know. Look at how tiny. 135, 70, 15.
We got some competition going.
Ariel Adam, one of my favorite cars. That is your glove box. I don't know about you, but I can't really go anywhere with just that much storage. What this is a Mercedes Unimog. It's probably the cleanest one I've ever seen. Deep down, I'm a Mustang boy at heart. Here's a Mustang. So actually, I didn't find out about the car until today, but here's an all-carbon. Guess who else is here looking at it? Mr. Matt definitely stands out to me, and I really enjoy how they used the M, the factory M, and just flipped it upside down and did war.
Will approve of the suspension.
Yeah? Wait, Will approve of the suspension? Oh, check that out. Bill Stein. That's all we know, baby. One can only imagine what the fuel economy on something like that would be. If I were driving it, would probably be like, I don't know, 3 miles to the gallon. We got war up front too. I kind of like it. It's unfortunate we see this more often than not. Splitters are so delicate, easy to destroy, especially when these cars are this low. What do you think about this R8? I think it needs a center exit. Quality exhaust. You got to get a quality exhaust. Unfortunately, it's kind of hard for me to admit this. As a car guy, I don't even know what this is. Beautiful interior. 3 or 4 Koenigsegg's here. Probably the most I've seen in one spot ever.
How much you think's in here right now?
15 mil. Ed's over here obsessing over Snap-on. Snap-on boy, Snap-on, sponsor him. Look, there's the Snap-on hat. Not even the Voodoo hat, the Snap-on hat. I don't have Voodoo. Just wanted to get this in here somewhere. We don't normally do this. We're gonna be showing you Cars and Copters since Will is too busy. He's too popular, man. Every 10 feet he runs into somebody he knows and he just talks. Good man you are, Will. Love the graphics and the matching helicopter though with it. Have an allotment for the 2023 Corvette Z06, what options to get, and I saw this vet here. I wanted to get the hardtop because I want you to be able to see the engine. Apparently there's an aftermarket engine cover for the convertibles that makes it clear so you can see it, and I think this is amazing and it should be a factory option. Also, I want to know what you think about this. Vertical doors on the C8 Corvette. Let us know in the comments what you think. So we're over here at 1016. If you didn't know, it's Peter's birthday today. We got GD here, along with James Ware. That beautiful center exit, VF supercharger. McLaren Artura, the factory vents, and this interior is pretty nice. The only thing is, I don't know about that screen. It's like they just threw in the middle of the dash there. And I can only imagine how hard it would be to take this apart, this rear clamshell. It's all one piece. We admire the cars, but we also think about how hard it would be to take one apart. Twin turbo, V6. It's unfortunate that the V8s are dying. V8s just have my heart.
V8's gotta come back.
They gotta make the comeback. So we were talking about our boy Peter at 1016 Industries earlier. He has acquired this beautiful 765 LT. I love this blue interior. It's absolutely gorgeous. Very tastefully optioned out. Look at how beautiful that is.
Yeah, you can use these. These are more sort of raised.
William's camera has died. Now we're on my phone. Somebody please bring one of these to the shop so we can, do that Voodoo sauce to it. Agera RS, which I finally figured out it's an Apollo. Look at all the lines on this thing. Huayra BC. Don't know how I feel about the color. I kind of dig it.
Very minty.
Minty fresh.
And the Momo Cat Fest.
We're here with this beautiful helicopter. If anybody could tell me what this thing is for,
Kind of looking thing.
put in the comments. Thor. And this one's Vader. I don't know which one I like better, but I'll take them both. I absolutely love the blue accents on this car. Full carbon Centenario. Wait, hold up. I don't know how we missed this. All carbon Porsche. All right, well, I think that concludes our tour of Cars and Copters. Like, follow, subscribe. See you on the next one.